So today at 8:30 EST, we had core PPI. So this is my plan going into the news. So as you can see on the charts, in Asian session last night, all we did was consolidated. We have another consolidation zone under this zone that price tapped into and rejected. But what do we have on the left? We have a clean gap to fill. Some people call this a fair value gap. This is gold, by the way. I trade gold. So price wants to come and fill this gap. It's clean price action, no support, no resistances. I believe that inflation came in better. So we take the bet that is going to buy. I have my stops under this level. And if it stops us out, it's okay. But I rather take that risk and we live on and we live life. And that's how I traded this news candle. As you can see, we did it the previous day before. Gold is just pushing up. We're still in a bearish market. These are just news candles. As you can see, price wants to come fill this wick or gap. We live on, we live life.
Green light.
Holy slippage. Look at that slip. It probably slipped me about 50 pips. Imagine if I got my entry right where I had my buy stop at. I would be up a lot more, but it's okay because stuff like this happens and you have to be okay with things like this happening. Yesterday, I caught a news candle. I believe it was a CPI, but the difference was I bought before news. It also had a gap. If you can see on the left-hand side, that big white candle, that was yesterday. That was CPI, and I bought right before news. That gave me the perfect entry. So I'm going to be doing that from now on when I'm trading news. Is instead of having a buy stop or a sell stop, I'm going to just pick the direction that I'm convicted in, right? Because I'm doing research. This is not like a gamble. I'm doing fundamentals, and that's why I think if you're going to be a trader, you have to include fundamentals. I hear people say, oh, you don't need fundamentals in trading. All you need is your playbook. But you're limiting yourself when it comes to this game. This game has multi ways. It's like a multiverse. There's so many different strategies. There's so many different techniques that actually work. And if you don't add fundamentals, especially the big players, the banks, the institutions, and what they're doing, because those guys also move the market. Those guys move the market. So if you want to disregard those players, it's like you're leaving yourself blind. But look at this, we're actually gaining, and I held on to this trade. I held on to this trade because my conviction was so high, and now it's actually playing in my favor. It did eventually get to my TP, but I want to say I closed. Also, it was a news candle. I closed out 1K W on the day. Follow and subscribe for more videos like this. You heard?